Good morning to everyone and welcome to another session. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with a British pound versus US dollar first. So basically what we found here is that 2 days ago we had rejection of the key pivot swing high at 1.2275, and we got an initial first pullback. Market tried to do the full retest, but it failed to do the full retest, and we took the low instead. The moving average, this middle Keltner line, which is a 20 exponential moving average, went from upside to the downside to the flat, and we can see basically on different time frames that this moving average is either flat or even downside, like on our hourly time frame. So from my perspective, there is a more chance that the price will go lower towards the recent swing highs, maybe 1.2135, rather than doing this upside swing. Because we lost momentum, we spent plenty of the times here. There was no bigger upside continuation. Because of that, I'll give more odds for the market to go to the downside, and only if the price will start to clear the highs, and so then the upside will be in the play. So for now, 1.2275 is acting like a strong resistance at this stage, and we went from initially this was a nice bull flag and it didn't produce too much, and market even took the low. So that's not a good sign for further upside continuation, and I can see the downside movement in the play on the British pound versus US dollar. If we speak about gold market is in some very flat regime. Let me just remove all of this just to place the swings for you. So this is the current condition with swinging, and this is a way too flat. What I would like here to do is to place the trend line, like horizontal trend line. Let's exclude this spike upside, and we have this trading range between 1783 like support and let's say 1800 mark. So from my perspective, I would like to see the price, if we see the downside breakout of 1783, this can open the door for potential test of 1770 level. If we see the upside breakout and some upside continuation, then this can open the door for higher prices, maybe 1812, 1815, or 1824. Again, gold is in the side-based regime, so watch for potential a breakout in order to confirm further direction. If we speak about crude oil is in the pullback mode. I still don't see any evidence that we have some kind of upside continuation. This might be that we're creating the flag. Our previous analysis about it, this area here might produce the movement upside, and we got that structure, but we still didn't test key swing highs here around the 96.20 mark. So now this is in pullback mode. If we see the market start to build, this can be a nice bull flag pattern in the future. So buying opportunities on the pullbacks. Watch for the upside continuation patterns on the crude oil. And Bitcoin versus US dollar, again, we just place the lines like this. So we have this structure, like bigger picture, we have this structure, and market really respected this area many times, and we got downswing. So now it's in the pullback mode, but seems like there is no any bigger buyer. I don't see any bigger buyer here, so for now the supply is in control today, and seems like market wants to test 23,500, maybe even test this lower trend line. So again, rejection of this key resistance area, and so far the sellers are in control. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always. Have a good weekend, and speak to you from next week.